Good evening, sir. This is our topic about effect of building and permeability on the ship, stability of the ship. Introduction. Building the flooding of a compartment within a ship and permeability, the extent to which a compartment will filter with water. Critical factors influence a vessel's stability. Understanding the interplay vital for ensuring safe design and operation. This report examines the effect of building and permeability on ship stability. Understanding building. Building refers to the flooding a compartment, typically due to hull damage such as a collision, grounding of circular failure. The degrees of water into a compartment significantly alters the vessel's weight, distribution, and buoyancy, affecting its stability characteristic. Ang pagbaha o pagbilging ay ang pagpapasok ng tubig sa isang kompartimento ng barko, kadalasan dahil sa pinsala ng balat tulad ng bangga, pagkabangga sa lupa o pagkasira ng istruktura. The role of permeability. Permeability is a crucial factor determining the effect of building on vessel stability. It represents the percentage of a compartment volume that can be occupied by water. Permeability value variegated based on the content of compartment. Ang pagkamatagusin ay isang mahalaga halik na tumutukoy sa mga epekto ng pagbaha ng karatagan ng isang sasakyan. Ito ay makatawan sa porsyento ng dami ng isang kompartimento na maaaring mapuno ng tubig. High permeability is approaching compartment contain little or not solid material. Bullet placed empty cargo hold will be have high permeability when base space will be virtual completely filled with water. Mataas na pagkamatagusin na malipat sa ang mga kompartimento ay na may kaunting o walang solid material, mga walang laman ng espasyo, walang laman ng mga bodega kargamento ay magkakaroon ng mataas na permeability kapag nabasa ang mga espasyong ito ay halos ganap na mapupuno ng tubig.
Compartment filled with dense relatively incompressible cargo, egg-heavy machinery, tightly packed goods will have low permeability. Water only occasionally avoids space between items in this compartment. Maraming mga kompartimento ang nagkaroon ng katamtamang mga halaga ng permeability na naglalaman ng halo, solid at walang lamang espasyo. Kapag many compartments will have intermediate permeability values containing Nmax of solid and avoid space. Kapag ang isang kompartimento ay nabasa, ang pagdalagdag ng tubig at pinababa ng mga halatang CG travels plane binabawasan initial metacritic high in itinaas ang paghalata ng CG longitudinal plane, babawasan ang longitudinal stability. When a compartment is triggered, additional of water lower the overall CG in the transverse plane, reducing the initial metacritic high and raise the overall CG in longitudinal plane, reducing longitudinal stability. The degree of this sheet depends on value of water entering the compartment related to the permeability and the location of the compartment with the vessel. Ang nabawasang GM ay delikadong nakaapekto sa paunawang katatagan ng barko na pinagawang mas madaling kapitan at malaking anggulo ng pakiling.
Building changes the vessel and writing moment permit GS control the GC curve specifying the restoring process that deliver the vessel to its upright position after healing with a Belgian compartment. The GC gamit ka na be safety and Austrian potentially leading to a return right of stability. Binabago ng pagbaha ang writing moment curve GC curve ng sakyan ng GC curve ay kumakatawan na sa right touring force na bumabalik sa sasakyan na sa patayong posisyon pagkatapos ng pagkiling. The blades compartment these are leading to a loss of buoyancy and the need for more standard to prevent total collapse. Ang nabahang komplemento ay nagpapalit ng mas konting hangin na mahahantong sa pagkawala ng buoyancy at ang pagkakailangan para sa mga malakas na struktura upang maiwasan ang pagkabuong ng pagbagsak. Building ka na cushion at let's represent intersection and or trim additional in lecture and depending on the location and size of the gradient compartment. This can specify the stability effect at pagkakaiba ng taas trim. Ang pagbaha ay maaaring magdulot ng pakiling insulation at o pagkakaiba ng taas ng ionization depende sa lokasyon at laki ng habang compartimento.